back again on my battlefield. So I rotate the main crank pulley to 14 degrees after top dead center of cylinder number 1, and you are sure that you are at the right stroke, because as I mentioned before, the two dots are facing each other. Let me show here a little more clear. There is not too much light. Here we are, okay, as you see. And also, if you pay attention, you can put the pin in the hole. Okay, at this point you are, I repeat, at 14 degrees after top dead center, cylinder number 1 at the correct stroke. I also arrange for locking the flywheel with the proper locking tool that you see over there. So in this condition I proceed in removing the high pressure pump. This is the hole in which there was the vacuum pump. I remove it completely, and there are 3 long bolts, 1, 2, and then there is a third. Here you see he's still in place holding the pump. I show them in detail on my bench. Here we are. They are very long bolt, and keep in mind, don't lose this plate on the other end, okay? And you also take care about disconnecting everything that is keeping the pump in place. So, for example, there is another bolt here, okay, very small, and you also disconnect for this pump in particular, that is electronically controlled, the main plug, okay, that is plugged here. And you need to, this is very particular connection, you need to press in this little metal tab and the plug is pulling out, is moving out, okay? So as I told you before, nothing more is keeping the pump in position apart from this 17 millimeters head bolt. This is, keep in mind, very important, it is a left threaded bolt. So you need to rotate counterclockwise to undo the bolt. After that, you can moving the pump outside of the engine. Take care very carefully, you don't want to damage anything. And after that, you put your pump on the bench and you use something like that. This is a locking pin specific for the inline Bosch pump. This is a laser 5974, okay, and there is a hole on the side of a pump. Let me show you. Here we are, is this one, okay, there is a plug, undo the plug, and when the pump is on your bench, put this little device inside. As you see, is locking the pump, because you want to be sure the pump is securely locked at 14 degrees after top dead center, and that is very important when you are putting again the pump in the engine for the final conclusion of your work. Okay, see you soon.